All right, guys, quick little Wednesday night update for you. Me and Abby, we're just hanging out down here in the shop, aren't we, tonight? Buddy was down here, not sure where he went. Hope he went back up to the house. But as you can see, got the truck back in here. The Tahoe, the old Tahoe, she's sitting out here. Mama cat, you can't come in. Tahoe's sitting out here, got it all fixed up. Took it on about a 20-mile drive earlier, and everything seems to be fine. So I think I got it fixed. Video on that tomorrow, I think. Just relax there, Abby. I think, because, well, if you've been following, you know I've had some SD card problems, and I had a real big one. I had about 80% of a video shot on removing this out of the intake manifold on that Tahoe, and all of a sudden I lost everything. I lost everything. And so I put the old SD card out of my old camera, which I didn't even know it was still in there. But I put it in the camera I have now, and everything seems to be fine. Haven't had any errors. Of course the heaters are going to kick on. Let's shut those off. So anyway, yeah, I got it all fixed up. It's ready to go now, I believe. And truck back in here. We got some nasty weather coming in. Well, it's going to get cold. It's going to be, I think, 0 or below tonight. And then Friday, we're looking at a bunch of snow and a lot of wind. Going to blow from one direction, then blow from the other direction. It's going to be a mess. Be one thing if we got like 8 inches of snow and no wind, but no, of course it has to blow. As far as this goes, it's ready to go. Just waiting on them to bring a tank and fill the darn thing. Kind of have a feeling that's not going to happen this week with weather coming in. So I don't know on that. But what do you think, Abs? I don't know either. But anyway, guys, just trying to update you here a little bit on what's going on. Couple things I want to do to the truck. Nothing real big. But a couple things I want to do here real soon. That'll be upcoming videos. But yeah, I got the Tahoe all up and going, and I think everything is okay with that. So anyway, not a whole lot going on tonight. Got pot roast going up in the house, so I'm gonna go up and eat. About 5 till 6. So about a half hour. I think that's gonna be done. And just kind of enjoy the night. Oh, are we tired? Where's your daddy? I don't know where he went. You are a good-looking girl. Anyway, guys, just like I said, just quick little update. That's what's going on. Tahoe's out of here. Truck's back in here where it belongs. Snowstorm coming in. And I think there's a video tomorrow, so we'll catch you then. Right, Abs? Right? All right, guys. Stay safe.